So many times we become too preoccupied with yesterday that we are blinded about our tomorrow. And it's a disease of this false pan-Africanist theory that is being perpetuated here. There are people who are dying in Protea Glen. They are not shot by white people, Misa. They are not shot by these foreigners that Zimbabweans and Congolese and the rest of Africa in South Africa want to portray, that it is white people who are killing black South Africans. It is black Africans who are killing black South Africans. Misa, I was shot 5 times in January. I'm not speaking about something I do not know. I was shot 5 times in January. 1 bullet grazed me on the head. The other one, 2 bullets on my wrist. The other 2 bullets on my legs, below my knees. It is not white people who shot me, because 2 of these guys who were communicating after I got shot, they were saying, Lizomthatha lihambe naye na. Lizomthatha nina nihambe naye. Noma simfake la kule yethu imoto. Lizomthatha. That's Zimbabwe. Who were communicating, and their N was an L. It's not an Afrikaner who put bullets through my body. It's a black Zimbabwean who does not perpetuate the same criminal elements in his own country, being fearful of Mnangagwa, who is not white monopoly capital, but who is black as himself. It's a disease, a disgusting, sickening disease that we have from African men who are cowards, who are wearing G-strings instead of wearing revolution on their shoulders. And they don't have the audacity to fight the socio-economic injustices which are being perpetuated in their own countries. And they have the audacity to come into South Africa because it is a weak government and a free-for-all, and perpetuate